Ever wonder why some companies manage their inventory like a well-oiled machine? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an item in SAP Business One, which is the foundation of any efficient inventory management. Now, let's jump into SAP Business One. We're going to head over to modules, then we're going to choose inventory, item master data. Then we need to make sure that we are on the add mode as always. First, we have the item code, which is a unique identifier that follows your company naming convention. This is really important. For this example, I'm going to add FG-chair-001. FG is basically for finished goods, chair for product category, and 001 is for the sequence. Next, we have the item description. Make sure to make it clear, searchable description that helps you identify the item. For this example, I'm gonna just add executive office chair - black leather. Then we have the foreign name. Basically, this is just an alternative description. If you maybe work internationally or you would like to have another description for the same item. Next, we're gonna have the item type. Today, I'm gonna be focusing on the items only, which is the physical products that you're gonna be having. Next, we have the unit of measure. This is the smallest unit you sell or store the item in. For example, I'm just going to choose each because these are chairs. Then we have the item group. This is really important because it categorizes everything for you for reporting and organization. So for this, I'm going to make it FG furniture, which is basically finished goods furniture. We can make raw metal, we can make components, whatever. This includes the price list. We can have a base price, $350. We can also have a wholesale price for $280, which is a 20% discount. And also we can have a distributor price at $245, which is basically a 30% discount. Next, we have the inventory data tab. And here we can choose the default warehouse, basically where the item is typically stored. For this example, I'm going to make it main warehouse. Next, we have the management method. This is basically how your cost is being calculated. For example, we're going to use moving average for the standard items. Maybe we're going to use FIFO if we have items that are perishables. Next, we have the minimum inventory. And this is really important because it triggers pre-order point alerts. Now, common mistakes you need to avoid when creating an item in SAP Business One. First, try to avoid characters when you are creating the item code. Secondly, do not forget to set minimum inventory levels for each item. Last one, always link the correct item groups for reporting. Now that you know how to properly set up items in SAP Business One and use those pro tips that I gave you, your inventory management will be more efficient than ever before. But this is just the beginning of what SAP Business One can do. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to catch our next videos and never miss our weekly tips on SAP Business One. Thanks and see you on the next one.